Hello everyone, welcome back to my homestead. Yes, you guessed it, I'm underneath the truck. Well, I'm going to try to do this with my tripod. We'll see how well it goes. So, what we're trying to do is get the clutch out of this truck. So, let me see if I can get you zoomed in. Like I say, I jacked my truck up a few inches so it wouldn't be so tight. So let's see if I can't. Let's see. Now I removed the linkage for the clutch pedal. Let's see if I can't get you past this brake cable. So let's see about this thing here. Throwout bearing, shot. All right, let's see. So I don't have a lot of room here. You can see here, see if I can adjust it somehow. Without losing my phone on the floor here. Nah, this ain't gonna work. I'll just have to show you in little pieces here. So I got these bolts here I'm gonna have to get out, and I'm gonna have to see how I can turn this engine around. Okay, I got it unbolted. I still don't see how the thing comes out. You see where it hits? Right on the bloody cross member. I don't know. But when I figure it out, I'll let you know. Guys, I ran into a pickle. I don't know what to do. Let me show you. You know what that is? That's a pilot bushing. It fell out. It's wedged. I already got my bell housing unbolted from the frame, and I can't move it. Oh, this is opening up a can of I don't know what. This could take days to get this thing out. But I'll keep you updated. I had to pull the bell housing out. Now I see that on a flywheel. Flywheel's wasted. I mean, it is wasted. I don't know what that is in there. Oh my God. This can't be the original engine. I don't know what's in there. It feels like a ground up bearing. I don't know. I'm a little disgusted. So, as you see, I'm dirty. I've not only had the pilot bushing fall out and get wedged where none of that would come out through the bottom. I had to unbolt the bell housing, and in order to lift up the engine, I had to loosen up the engine mounts. I've used about every tool I have to get this out. And then when I see a name on a flywheel, I don't know what to think. I know the truck was part of a in the state. So I don't know, maybe the engine was seized and they went to a junkyard and got another engine. I don't know. But it does have a 12-inch clutch. The transmission, I won't know until I can get numbers off of it to tell me what it is. Because I can't put it back until I reseal it. That means every seal on it that is worn out and leaking oil everywhere is why it's all over me, if you can even see it. I'm wearing most of my truck. But that's it for this video, and I thank you for stopping by. And I hope to see you in the next one as we go further into the truck. Once I get the flywheel out, we're going to pressure clean everything. I had another wire break because I had to take the starter out. Now the starter, it looks old. So maybe I'm lucky that it is the original engine, transmission, and everything else is just a botched job from a farmer. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next. You have a great day.